Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. Today in this video I'll tell you about the 15 easiest ways to make money in 2021. You are watching Wealthy Brains and now let's get in this video. When asked, how do you earn extra money? Most people answer with, find a side job or work more hours. Regardless of the time aspect, it is of course much better to work smarter instead of working more. It is best to find a method that will allow you to make money with little time and investment. In other words, build a passive income. In this video, we'll show you 15 ways how you can achieve this and start to make money without much effort. I am sure you will find at least one method that will suit you. You will learn how to make money in 2021, how to make passive income online, and share some passive income ideas in 2021. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Start making YouTube videos. Making videos for YouTube is a fast-growing sport. Nowadays, you can film from anywhere with high-quality cameras or even your phone, and the videos you can make really be about anything. Think of makeup, sports, crypto, someone's daily life. The possibilities are endless. You will spend a lot of time making videos, especially when they're all still subject to editing. When finished, however, they can create passive income online for a long time. You will earn with Google AdSense ads that are displayed on your videos. You get paid every time someone looks at or clicks on this ad. The price per view is low. We're not talking about some crazy money here, but if you have many views, it is becoming a bigger stream of income. Number 2. Create a website for affiliate marketing. Another very interesting way, especially for people with an existing blog or website, is affiliate marketing. You can use this to place links on your blog that promote products. For example, you will receive a fixed amount or percentage of the sale for every order placed via your link. Do you have many visitors who are interested in certain products or services? Then you can certainly build a nice passive income with affiliate marketing. There are numerous platforms where you can find companies that do affiliate marketing. They want to sell something, preferably through as many channels as possible. If your website has enough visitors, those companies are eager to do business with you. Number 3. Sell your photos on the internet. Do you like photography? If so, you may be able to generate a nice source of passive income with your photos. You can post photos taken on so-called stock photo websites such as Shutterstock or iStockPhoto. This way, you will receive a fixed amount or percentage for every customer who buys the photos through that website. If you make a nice portfolio, you can earn a great deal of money through it. Keep in mind that your photos have to be really good and high quality. It is smart to look at what is already in high demand, so make them slightly with a commercial slant. Number 4. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook seems like a lot of work at first, and it is, but once completed, it can be a fruitful source of income. Your book can be sold via your own website, but also like Amazon or ClickBank. This way, you reach a broad audience in one go, but make sure that your ebook is worth reading. You can write about anything, but you must know a lot about the subject. Give the reader a lot of useful information. Use the right words and make it exciting and easy to read. Have you ever run into a problem that no one is writing about yet? Then you might have a gold mine in your hands. Number 5. Sell your own products. Creating your own products can be considered a very broad topic where you can sell just about anything. You can make your own products or have them produced cheaply in countries such as China. You will have to build your own website for this where customers can order the products. Another way is to place products on Amazon, which increases the chance of even more sales. Always make sure that you have your own website anyway. When you sell your own products, you have higher profit margins, more freedom, possibly more market dominance, and many sales opportunities. Number 6. Adopt a blog that already exists. Are you able to get an existing blog for a good price? Then you can also earn a very nice passive income with this blog. Blogs are being created all the time, but not all of these blogs are used to their full potential. So make smart use of this idea. You can do this with Google AdSense and affiliate marketing. Blogs with a lot of authority and monthly traffic are ideal for this. In financial terms, you should keep about 24 times the monthly income of the blog's price. If the income is $300 per month, then you have a price of $7,200. Number 7. Be a referring resource. Any small startup business can use referrals which lead to more sales. Make a list of companies that you regularly turn to and that you can recommend to others. Then ask them if you give some sort of commission when customers come to those companies through you. It can lead to a nice side stream of earnings. Number 8. Create an app. You can also start building an app. Yes, I know it's not for everyone, but it's not that hard. You have to ask yourself a number of questions. What do you want to do with your app? What do you want your app to do? How do you make the app attractive to users? What problem do you solve with it? How do users' lives become simpler with your app? And how are you going to market your app? Of course, many developers want to release an app, so really stand out. It starts with a good idea, but then you also have to spend time developing it. Your app can be complex, but also very simple. Think of some games that literally don't make sense, but have a great playtime. Number 9. Develop an online course. Everyone is an expert at something, so why not create an online course for this? It can be a great source of passive income. You can approach this in different ways. For example, there are websites like udemy.com with millions of students looking for new online courses every day. You can also post your online course on many other websites, including Amazon, of course. There are plenty of sales channels where you can sell an online course. Just use this Google to find what suits best. Now, it is important to make an excellent online course. If you post your online course on international platforms, you will have to make it in English. Number 10. Google AdSense. Google AdSense really is one of the simplest ways to create passive income online. You place advertisements on your website or blog and don't have to do anything about it. The income is generated every time when visitors click on your ads. Although you only earn a few cents per click, it can add up to when you get a lot of visitors. Number 11. Selling advertising space. Do you have a website or a blog with many visitors? Then you can also make advertising space available for companies that want to advertise on your website. For example, you can place a banner in the header for a fixed amount per month. With a few banners, you earn a lot of money. Number 12. Create manuals. Are you looking for additional ways in which you can earn passive income? Then writing manuals might be your cup of tea. You can create very extensive manuals for the most specific topics. A manual helps people to achieve a certain goal step by step. Usually, this is accompanied by a small fee. It's a smart way to make extra money. Number 13. Invest in real estate through crowdfunding. Investing in real estate is a very profitable way to create passive income on the internet. However, buying a house or apartment is not really cheap. You will therefore need to have equity capital or borrow it from the bank. But there are also ways to do it differently. For example, you can invest in real estate through crowdfunding. You don't have to put it in large amount right away. You can start with a few hundred euros. Number 14. Investing in stocks. Buying stocks can also create passive income online for you for a long time. In many cases, you buy shares. You also claim a part of the profit every 3 months. Are you going to buy shares? Then do this from companies that are reliable and likely to make more and more profit. You can also learn more about how stock markets work. That way, you will be better able to buy stocks at a low point. Certainly, there is not always something wrong with the company for the larger companies when shares are low. If the shares then go up again, you can take advantage of the increases. Number 15. Borrowing peer-to-peer. It's probably not your first idea to create passive income online, but it can be profitable to borrow peer-to-peer. You receive interest on money that you lend to others. Some people are not eligible to borrow through traditional financial services providers. However, some platforms lend it to that makes people possible. You can register yourself and that way lend money to others. This does not even have to be a very large amount. You will then receive interest on the borrowed money. This is all for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like, and if you are new, then do not forget to subscribe. See you till the next video, and thank you for watching.